This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basics. Truecaller is installed and updated, and you know which phone app you use. Once done, open Truecaller and grant temporary permissions if asked so settings are visible. You do this because some options hide without permissions. Now go straight to the app menu. Don't waste time exploring. You need settings. This reduces errors later when changing overlays, call identification, or theme toggles that control how Truecaller modifies your incoming call screen. Now you disable the theme itself. In Truecaller, go to Settings, look for Display, Caller ID, or Incoming Call options and turn off Call Theme or the Caller ID overlay. This stops Truecaller from replacing your phone app screen. If the option is missing, go to Android Settings, Apps, Truecaller Permissions, or Special App Access and revoke Draw over other apps. Make sure to test by calling your phone. This step prevents any persistent themed screen from appearing. Finish by testing. Call your number from another device and confirm the native dialer returns. If Truecaller still shows a theme, clear Truecaller cache and data or uninstall it. Clearing defaults for your phone app can also help. Make sure to reboot the device after changes. Troubleshooting tip: if overlays persist, temporarily re-enable permissions to access settings, then disable the overlay option again. This forces the app to reset its behavior without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.